is an AI? The simple form of artificial intelligence is when computer science and large datasets are used to solve problems. It also includes the machine learning and deep learning subfields that are frequently mentioned in the context of artificial intelligence. AI algorithms focused at generating expert systems that make predictions or classifications based on input data are found in these files. Artificial intelligence was first coined in 1956, but due to larger data volumes, sophisticated algorithms, and higher processing power and storage, AI is becoming increasingly popular today. In 1950s, early AI research focused on problem solving and symbolic approach. The USA Department of Defense became interested in this type of work in 1950s and began training computers to think like humans. In 1970s, for example, the Defense Advanced Research Project Agency finished a road mapping project, and DARPA developed
applications of artificial intelligence in the industry. In automotive industry, we have an exponential example with this famous guy called Elon Musk, aside with the vision of Tesla Motors. The purpose of this company, with the help of 8 mounted cameras, 12 ultrasonic sensors, and forward radar to read lane lines, all this based on a deep research of human neuronal system capable of mimic the human eye. All this to reach a high-tech autonomous car. In the aerospace industry, the governmental institution called NASA has developed a rover called Perseverance for Mars mission. The purpose of this rover is to seek signs of life and collect samples for the possible return of this rover to Earth. NASA is testing new technology on Perseverance. This rover has an autopilot to avoid hazards. This system is called terrain relative navigation, and this autonomous navigation system helps the rover drive faster in challenging terrain.
A smarter supply chain, organizations in all walks of life are using artificial intelligence to improve the management of their supply chains. They are using machine learning algorithms to predict what is needed and the best time to move the supply. In this use case, artificial intelligence helps business leaders to create a more efficient and cost-effective supply chain by minimizing and possibly eliminating the risk of backlogs and shortages of products in demand.
China is the first country within the Chinese border to legally claim to be a US-level technology superpower. These guidelines have made China a technology leader, empowered by cases of technology and intellectual property theft by Chinese hackers and government-sponsored companies. It is also a result of the Chinese government's huge investment in its own technological capabilities. Today, many of the world's top 500 supercomputers are Chinese rather than Americans. As for the United States, the government is not leading AI development, but it is Silicon Valley's private companies that limit its direct potential interest to Washington. This distinction is as important as its downstream effect. American AI researchers are announcing their breakthroughs. This means that Chinese responders are as easy to access as Western responders. US entrepreneurs avoid repeating the same research instead of making new and different discoveries. This is a problem for AI development at this stage when practice is still perfect.